So today's plan, we're going to the outlet to buy the boys something that they need for school. So we're going to Tampa Premium Outlet, and for something for mommy also, right? Right? Maybe say yeah. Boys, Aiden and Dylan, Layton, did you guys bring your card? They brought their card. They bring their card.
I got Aiden and Layton, so I don't know what Dylan did.
Dylan said that I can just transfer his money to my account if he wants something.
I got Aiden and Layton's.
In 2.3 miles.
I know there was an initial fee.
Baby, I look at the clouds. It's
I
so
don't think
dark.
there's a renewal fee. Not 100% sure on that.
I can see the outlet. I can see the outlet. So the Tampa outlet, it's like an hour away from Lakeland. I think it's 1 hour away. The clouds is very dark. Daddy said that there is a storm. What storm?
It's Hurricane Fred.
There's a hurricane Fred
In the Gulf.
in the
This is
Gulf of
the,
Mexico.
This is part of it.
So I didn't know. That's why I asked them to come with me in the outlet. He didn't tell me. He just told me when we're on I-4. You're supposed to go there. I don't know. You didn't have a stop sign. Here's the Tampa Premium Outlet. There you go. We're going to look to find a parking spot. There's one in the corner. Oh no, there's a car. So we're here in the outlet now. We just finished eating. So we're going to the boys to get the shoes. Guys, so we're here in the outlet. No. So we're here in the outlet. We're gonna look what kind of shoes the boys want. Javen. So the boys don't want to go to Nike because the line is very long. We have a certain numbers of people that can go inside, and we're not gonna go in the line. It's already 5 o'clock. Yes, baby. No, baby, it's not gonna fit. So I think we're just gonna go to Puma or Finish Line. Usually Finish Line have a good sale for school. So we're gonna try. So we're here in Finish Line. Baby, I like that blue. The teal.
I don't like them.
You don't like it? That's not your size, baby. You want that? That's okay.
Oh, you can get some even.
We are.
Oh, that's it. I like these.
It's white. It's gonna get dirty so fast.
Ooh, I like them.
$90.
$90?
$90.
I like those.
But it's $90. So we didn't see nothing that we like, the shoes or the price. It's still a little expensive. So we're gonna try Puma. Puma. It says it's 50% off, up to 50% off. So we're gonna check inside. We're going to check inside. Jaden wants something to like laces. Okay, we just finished the Puma and Aiden and Layton bought shoes. Daddy and mommy bought shirt. And now we're going, I think this is it, or maybe we still like something. Come on, come on, come on. Lay down, D.
You want a little one for him? A little one?
You want them? Alright, thank you. Oh, we got this baby.
You got a free bag. You got a free bag. Yay.
Okay, fine.
Oh, sorry. I want to hold the dog. No, I don't.
Javen! Javen done shopping at Michael Kors. Bye, Michael Kors.